Hello everyone, welcome to the NorthVision booth at ISE 2020. My name is Emmanuel Arbreto and I'm Business Development Director for NorthVision. NorthVision, as you may know, is manufacturing and selling wireless presentation systems. We call it the VisionShare. So VisionShare will be proposing this year a very cool feature. This is the touchback. So the touchback is about the possibility to interact with a flat panel. So let's take a look at the setup. The setup is very simple. You just need to plug this small dongle on the USB port of the computer. And then just an example, if you're presenting in a meeting room and you want to annotate in front of the audience, so you can do it. It's very simple, very straightforward. As you can see, it's very smooth, very easy. So this is about presentation, but for example, if you want to do something like manipulating pictures, let's take an example. You want to zoom in, to zoom out. It's very simple, like this, like this. So this is a very cool feature. And in fact, what we are proposing is we are proposing to update your system. If you don't want to buy a full set, you can upgrade your existing system to touch with this small module that you can plug at the back of the screen. And there are, heavy magnets at the back. So it's very easy. Again, our promise is to propose simple products, plug and play, and very easy to use. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation and also the product demo. I hope we'll see next year at ISE 2021 in Barcelona. Thank you.